Hi all, this video is to showcase you on how to install notification on post like for BuddyBoss plugin. Okay, so for this, first what you have to do is basically we have to log in into the site, so which I have already done. Now once you log in, you have to go to plugin main menu, and then in that click on add new. Once you click on add new, you can type notification on post for BuddyBoss. Okay, you can type it by self. Okay, and you will see this plugin comes up. Okay, you can install it from here, or else what you can type is basically you can type cross WP. It's basically the company behind who has basically developed, and then you can basically click on notification on post like for BuddyBoss. Okay, so let this plugin get installed over here. Okay, so now the plugin has been installed. Now click on activate button. So as soon as you click on activate, it will going to get start activating, and you will now going to basically you can start using the plugin basically functionality. So this is how basically you can install notification or post like for BuddyBoss plugin.